More than 300 homeowners, nonprofits, and agribusinesses from La Crosse to Toma to Verona and Prairie du Chien can thank Ethos Green Power Cooperative for working with Wisconsin utilities and receiving more than $850,000 in Focus on Energy rebates since 2017.
I was driving here today through a Richland Center, and I saw a sign that said, "We all do better when we all do better." And I loved that sentiment because today really is about partnerships. Focus on Energy could not be successful without the partnerships of wonderful companies like Ethos and the folks in the market.
In fact, Ethos customers have received almost $1 million in rebates in its 10-year history, with 624 projects and savings of more than 532,000 MMBTU. That's enough energy saved to charge 1.9 billion cell phones.
What I love about all of this is the fact that it is built into the culture. The name of the cooperative, Ethos Green Energy Cooperative. For those that like words, and I like to study words, it means character. It means moral beliefs. It means guiding principles. It's about building something, bringing people together.
The community-focused, worker-owned trade ally expanded beyond solar installations to include heat pump installation and home energy assessments.
I want to congratulate Ethos for a job well done. I want to thank Focus on Energy to recognize a great company here in Vernon County. So you're a big employee for Vernon County and really help the economy.
Its growth is core to its goals, creating new sustainable jobs for young people in the region, stabilizing the cost of electricity, and moving away from fossil fuel dependence.
I know I speak for everyone at Ethos Green Power Co-op that we're very, very grateful for the partnership with Focus on Energy, and we look forward to many more years as we go through the energy transition and growing the programs and the partnership towards a much stronger Wisconsin.
Congratulations to Ethos Green Power Cooperative, a 2024 Energy Efficiency Excellence Award recipient.